Hello everyone and welcome back. Before we start our journey in this course, I just want to give you a quick overview what this business model is going to be about. As I mentioned before, we're going to be using WhatsApp to drive traffic to our website. We're going to leverage WhatsApp groups. Any WhatsApp group you can get your hands on to promote your site. And the more groups you use, the larger the amount of traffic you're going to get. But there is one thing I want to point out, is not all types of websites work well on WhatsApp. I've tried a lot of different niches to see which one brings the best results. I've tried news site, sport, viral videos, and the niche that brings me the best results and worked for me the best is quiz websites. It may seem a little bit weird. People tend to see quizzes only on Facebook. Quizzes go viral only on Facebook. And what if I tell you that those quizzes also go super viral, better than Facebook, but only if you do it right. And I'm gonna show you a ninja trick to make your quizzes go viral in a second. People love to take personality quizzes. Which word describe you? Love percentage quizzes. For example, let's say we want to create a zodiac quiz. We would say, which word describe your zodiac sign? And when people see this on WhatsApp, the odds are gonna click and discover their zodiac sign is very high. Because people cannot resist curiosity, especially when it comes to personality. Because when you use the word you, it's like you are talking to them, you are asking them to take action. It doesn't mean you're gonna stick only to quizzes site. It's up to you. You can start with any niche you want. News, viral stuff, sweepstakes. Sweepstakes actually work great on WhatsApp. If you don't know what sweepstakes are, it's actually a type of CPO offers. For instance, answer these questions for a chance to win an iPhone 8 or Amazon gift card. When people answer all these questions, they will be redirected to the offer page where they can enter their personal information, whether it's a phone number or an email address. And when they do this, you get paid. That's another business model different of what I'm going to show you here in this course. I will add new videos in the future and I explain in details how to use this strategy for your CPA offers. Now let me show you one of the websites I'm currently using. This is the website. It's a zodiac quiz. As you can see here, it's a one-page website. We have here at the top an image describing what the quiz is about. In this example, what's your true zodiac sign? We have here a rectangle ad block. This is where we're going to push our Adsense ad. If we scroll a little bit further, find out what your real sign should be. A rectangle ad block again. Here you'll see the quiz questions and answers. We're going to be asking people to answer a few questions before they see the result. 3 to 4 questions max. And if you want to add more questions, you can do that, but I highly recommend you to stick only with 3 to 4 questions. And finally, we have another ad block here at the bottom of the website page. Now I'm gonna jump inside my phone right now and take the quiz to see how the website operates. So here I am on my phone. This is how the website looks like on mobile. It looks neat, responsive, and lot better than desktop. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the quiz. No matter which one I click, at the end it's gonna give me the same result. Which word is you determined? What is the most important to you? Family? What do you feel most of the time? Proud? Now it's calculating the results for me. And Here is the ninja trick I mentioned before. Now look what it says. Before I see the result, I have to share this quiz with at least 10 of my friends or groups. This is the most important feature in our strategy. Without it, we won't go anywhere. This feature is what makes this system so powerful, and this is the secret weapon how these quizzes go super viral on WhatsApp. Friends share it with friends, these friends share it with their family, and so on. And the result is we drive a large amount of traffic to our website. Ready to take the quiz and click on our AdSense ads. I'm going to go ahead and share the quiz on WhatsApp by clicking on this big green WhatsApp button. Select who you want to send the quiz to. This is the message they're gonna see, the promotional text. Find out what is your true zodiac sign should be. And zodiac emojis. It's very important to include emojis in your text because it makes it look beautiful and it grabs the attention of the user. And a link to your site. Finally, click send and that's it. We are done. All you have to do now is wait and keep an eye on your Google Analytics to monitor how many visits you get. And always remember the golden rule. More shares equals more visits and obviously means more money in your pocket. So this was an overview how this strategy works.